Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to do a schedule on Excel. First, open a new Excel workbook. In the first row, label your columns. Common labels include date, time, task, and assigned to. You can also add a status column. Make sure to format these headers by making them bold and perhaps giving them a light background color for better visibility. This initial setup is crucial for an organized and easy-to-read schedule. Now, let's start populating your schedule. Begin by entering your dates down the Date column. You can use Excel's autofill feature to quickly extend a series of dates. Then, fill in the Task and Time columns with your specific activities. For example, team meeting at 9:00 a.m. Consider using conditional formatting to automatically color code tasks based on their status, like green for complete or red for urgent. To make your schedule even more powerful, let's add some advanced features. Create drop-down lists for the Assign to column to ensure consistent names and prevent typos. You can also use a simple formula, like COUNTIF, to track how many tasks are marked complete out of the total. Remember to freeze your top row so your column headers remain visible as you scroll through longer schedules. Finally, maintaining your schedule is key to its effectiveness. Make it a habit to review and update your tasks daily or weekly. Always save your Excel file regularly to avoid losing any progress. You can also share your schedule with team members, allowing for collaborative updates and ensuring everyone is on the same page. This easy method helps keep your projects organized and on track.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.